please tell me I'm not the only one who cannot come back from a trip empty handed. Like, I need to have something which reminds me of that place. So, this haul is from my recent trip to Mount Abu and Udaipur. So, the first one is very obvious, of course, a fridge magnet, and every trip deserves one. So, I got two fridge magnets, one from Udaipur and one from Srinathwar. So from my end, it don't require any rating because honestly, everyone put their time to select the best one. So I think for me, it is 10 on 10. So my second purchase is a bonsai plant and some cute little flowers from the Dilwara temple in Mount Abu. So for this, I'll rate it as 4 out of 10 because इनका ना कुछ आफ्टर प्रोसीजर है जो आपको घर आके करना पड़ेगा. मैंने उसको exactly same way में करा था, but it was a big fail. So I
Oh
won't find it
no.
that much like worth spending. Be careful if you are buying it. So third and last is this clothing, and it's from Maharani Art Museum. So they say that their clothing is based on natural extract, which could be bamboo, banana stem, lotus stem. And second is 50% resale value. Like after a year, you can actually get 50% value of your purchase, which you can utilize through exchange or through, like, if you want, you can get cash also. And I definitely need to try this option because I don't know how this is going to work. So I got a sari, two kurtis, and a shirt from there for my family. And additionally, I also got two itro from there, which is, I think, a signature and a purple oud, like these two variants. But they have many. I'll rate it close to 8 out of 10 because after I bought these things, I found them a bit costlier actually. And also, like when you enter City Palace, you get to know that like many people are selling this around. So evaluate if you need to buy this. So this is my cute little haul. If you have already bought any of these, then please let me know in comment then how much you rate them. And if you haven't, then what are you waiting for? Just quickly save this and thank me later. Okay, bye.